So we have a bottle of Bottega Gold, right? I've always wanted to try the Bottega wine from I was living in Japan, but I never got the chance to try it. I never bought a bottle, but now I'm buying a bottle. But it's not even for me. So the month of May is a very important month in my family. It's a one of joy and also one of sadness, if we're being honest. But my mother's birthday, my brother's birthday, my brother's girlfriend birthday are all in May. Right? So May is like the lucky month. But then at the same time, my dad passed away at the end of May. So May is kind of like a bittersweet month for me, but I'm still trying to put my back into it. Their celebration. Last year, as you saw in some YouTube videos, we went to Negril, we went all over Jamaica. I got my brother a pedicure, we went to Rock House with my brother's girlfriend. I did a lot last year. But this year, your girl got bills. Your girl got bills. Responsibilities. So we have to do it a bit lighter this year. So I am going down that side tomorrow. And I decided to create like a fruit bowl basket type thing for them. So I bought a bottle of wine. And I said, why not show you guys what I'm going to be doing? So I bought a bottle of Bottega wine, which was like almost $8,000. Well, why the lights in a babe? So I got 2 mangoes because it's for my brother and his girlfriend. My mom got her gift already. We got some grapes, we got 2 apples, then I got some Jamaican. Hold on. I'm back. Don't mind my crushed clothes. And then we got some Jamaican sweets and stuff for them. Alright, so let me show you how I'm going to create this package. So we got some drops. This type of drops having cranberry. I think that was pretty cool. I found this in Ligani. Drops with cranberry, coconut drops with cranberry. I saw this thing. It's like a gourmet spicy smoked escovitch saltfish dip with crackers. I am saying that one day when my nephew is probably sleeping or whatever, they want to have like a chill night, they could have it together. They like nuts, so I got them trail mix. I got them this fruit mix with M&M. The water lights in a play with me with M&M and nuts and almonds. I got a bag of popcorn for them to share. Listen, I'm a family built on cards. Like my daddy always gave us cards when it was our birthday time. Like my mommy, she was never out of cards. And he liked the ones that when you open them sing. Those are the type of cards that my daddy normally buy for my mommy. Yeah. He was all of a boy. So I got them cards. Whoa, the lighting is playing with me. But this one is basically saying, brother, there's always time to celebrate a great guy like you. And of course it has wishing you a wonderful birthday you deserve. So I got this one for him. And then the lighting always up with me now. And then I got this for her, and it basically says happy birthday, and then on the inside it says hope all the special things you are wishing for come true, since you deserve a birthday that's as wonderful as your day, period. So I got a card, 2 cards. I want some stuffing to go into the bowl, so let's do this bowl thing, Magic. One second. Okay, so I washed the fruits already, right? We have this. I'm going to quickly do it because this video is long for no reason. So we're going to put the stuffing in, the paper in it, right? Because, put the stuffing in. I hope. Look at me, alright. We'll put the wine, the Bottega wine, into it. Let's put it in the center, right? We have the dip. Where's the scissors? I hope this is not delayed. I hope the video looked like it's delayed. I probably should just turn this into a part 2, and I'm going to.